Have a nice day everyone. Today we are going to take a little trip. This is a different video than ever before. The first time a video was made outside the village. We started the tour at around 6 am. Some of my friends joined me on this journey. We are planning to visit some other places along the Ravana Falls. You can watch the Ravana waterfall too in this video. Apart from the tour, you can also see the change in environment. This is because we are moving from a dry zone to mountain cold zone. Gradually we are getting closer to the mountains. You can see the mountain range in the distance. We are passing the Vellavaya town. We stopped for breakfast because we were so hungry. Most of the curry was prepared with potatoes, dal and fish. Now we are in the mountains. This is the Ravana Falls. It's a little cold here. Surrounded by a mountain range, this is a beautiful waterfall. Tourists can bath here. In the next video, we will talk about other places. Have a nice day.